Hi viewers, what's up? We are going to go to Route 66. We are going to stop and show you some places. And right now we are at Lake St. Clair. We are still following Route 66 if you look up there. And if you notice, it says, please slow down, protect our children, because I didn't even know they still made those. But that's all. When we were going on Route 66, we found this old antique store. You could still sit on it, but it's an antique, so you can't really touch. There's a lot of cool stuff in here.
You have to talk up, they can't hear you.
There's lots of cool stuff here, and look at these binoculars. I just want to feel them too, but I probably can't. If we bought it, I could. standing, and we are looking at the world's biggest rocking chair. We are here at the Route 66 and we're about to go in.
And we have over 270 different glass bottles of soda inside. We do free samples of all of our popcorn and fudge. And we have just a little bit to choose from. We have some souvenirs. And you guys are come inside, check it out. It's pretty cool.
The most.
Oh, that's a hard question. It just depends on the person.
Because that one looks like they like the most.
My favorite is this one, the caramel chocolate peanut. That one's my favorite. And then my second favorite would probably just have to be the plain chocolate. I'm a chocolate fan like you.
You just have to have it both. Oh, so this is a mirror.
Yep, that's a mirror.
Where?
And then my second favorite would probably, well, my third favorite would probably be the butter pecan. That one's really good too.
My second would be that one.
Which one?
That one.
Yeah.
That one's really good.
And you.
We have a popcorn like that one too.
I thought I saw it over here last time.
Hi guys.
They have lots of these to choose from, and I chose this one, and they are really nice people. You should visit them someday. So we were driving all this way to look for a totem pole, and we found like nothing. Just like this thin piece of wood, as you can see. It wasn't. At first I was like really excited, but now I'm like, And there is a cool stuff, but that's literally all it is. And that's a picture too. what's up again? We are on Hog Holler, not Holler, Holler. Like you're like, ah, that kind of holler. And we are going to go to Sugar Tree Road. And so on Sugar Tree Road, it wasn't really nothing, but you see, it used to start out from road, now look. But if you can't really see it, but there's more. We're actually walking on the road, but you can't really tell. It says you can't bring your cars, but you can bring yourself. I think Route 66 is a 2 thumbs up because you can go like anywhere almost.